New at 11, doctors believe they have found a way to predict whether a healthy person will develop Alzheimer's disease. The biomedical journal Nature Medicine released study results that indicate they found a way to detect Alzheimer's. The blood-based test can be used to predict if someone will develop the disease within 3 years. But what do you want to know?
Maybe people can know ahead of time, arrange their affairs, accordingly. That's also a good thing, but it's really a double-edged sword.
The test could be used to design new treatments for the disease, but more research is needed before any tests are publicly available for years.